Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about the Blu-ray DVD players that are installed in this custom 7.1 3D system that has been built for Outback Pictures in Darwin, Australia. Now we've got two 3D DVD Blu-ray players that are built into here. Now what we've done is we've taken their audio and video outputs and put them in a very flexible design throughout the system that gives you all these wonderful features and options. So starting with Blu-ray number 1 and Blu-ray number 2, we take their HDMI video outputs and we're putting them through this 3D Blu-ray converter. And that goes to the 3D Blu-ray converter HDMI output on the side of the case, which will go up to the projector. So we spoke about that in another video, but if you're playing a 3D DVD, that is the way you get to have that shown. And if you're just playing a regular DVD that's not 3D, then it'll just bypass this converter, the signal just goes straight through and you get your regular signal. Now we've also taken the component video outputs and we're sending those to the UMC receiver. The reason for that is what we spoke about earlier, in that anything that goes through this can go through the 2D to 3D converter and be converted to 3D. So that gives you the option of watching those images in 3D. Now we've taken their digital audio outputs and sent those into the receiver so that they can be listened to in full 7.1. We've taken their analog outputs and we're sending those to this preamp that we've got up here that's marked Blu-ray 1 and Blu-ray 2, which has its own stereo outputs in both RCA and XLR. This gives you a completely separate audio path. So you could have one audio path going through here through a separate set of outputs at the same time you've got it going through your 7.1. That would work for a wireless FM transmitter, giving you a completely separate sound zone. Maybe you want to have one image and a different sound than you have on the movie. Just options, options, options. So that's fantastic. And then we also have taken the video outputs from both of these and they're sent into our quads here, and that allows you to monitor these on our monitors separate from going out to the projector. And the only time you can't see these video outputs is when you go to the full 3D with a Blu-ray DVD. Because when you have a 3D DVD, the outputs are up converted and you won't get the video signal through your monitor. But all other playbacks you will. So the Blu-ray DVD players are implemented into this system and give you all the features and flexibility you want.